We human beings face multiple demands each and every day. Daily workload that include paying bills, taking care of family, being in relationship or some other aspect of life. Being stressed triggers the body to release a hormone known as cortisol. Cortisol is the primary stress hormone that is responsible for health problems include depression, anxiety, headache. When you are under constant stress over a period of time, in long term, it leads to serious health problems like obesity, diabetes, hypertension. Stress affects us both physically and mentally. Stress is responsible for 75% of all your health problems. Stress is the key for survival. So don't let stress affect your food. Don't let stress affect your sleep. Don't let stress affect your schedule. Don't let stress affect your exercise. Give yourself some break because your body and mind desperately needs it. Make time for things that makes you actually happy. Pay attention to the thoughts and feelings in a way that increase your ability to manage different situations and make wise choices. Ability to use both the hands equally well is known as ambidextrous. Some are right-handed, few are left-handed. There is a link between brain and head. Right hand people tend to be left brain dominant. Similarly, left hand people tend to be right brain dominant. When you use both the hands equally well, that improves concentration and creativity at your work. Repetitive using of opposite hand for daily tasks initially confuses the brain as you are teaching a new skill. Thus, brain remain active all the time and work effectively. Do you suffer from dry cracked heels? Do you have any problem of numbness? Are you not sleeping properly? Then this routine is for you. After a long tiring day, best way to relax and best way to end your day is by massaging the feet. Muscles in the feet get hardly any exercise. A 5 to 10 minute massage before going to bed greatly improve blood circulation. According to ancient Ayurveda, feet contains reflex points to all the organs and other parts of body. Each foot houses 26 bones, 33 joints and 7,000 nerves. When you give each foot a good massage, you are not only massaging the feet, you are also massaging the organs associated with each of pressure point. In 1870, a German scientist named Erich von Wolff, while researching about the nutritional benefits of spinach, he accidentally misplaced the decimal point of spinach iron content in wrong spot. Instead of 3.5 grams of iron, he mentioned 35 grams of iron, which is almost 10 times. This mistake is continued for next 60 years until that entire world believed that spinach is an instant iron booster. This mistake was again rectified in 1930.